Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Azure Data Factory integration runtime for data movement, full guide step by step clearly. To install the Azure Data Factory integration runtime for data movement, start by signing in to the Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Data Factory instance you want to configure. In the Data Factory dashboard, locate and click on the Author and Monitor tile. In the Author and Monitor interface, select the Manage tab on the left sidebar. Under the Integration Runtime section, click on the plus New button to initiate the integration runtime setup. Choose the option for Self-Hosted Integration Runtime and click Continue. Provide a name and description for your integration runtime. Once the download is complete, run the installer on the machine that will host the integration runtime. Follow the installation prompts, agreeing to the terms and conditions. After installation, open the Integration Runtime Configuration Manager. Click on the Connect to Azure option to link the runtime to your Azure subscription. Sign in with your Azure credentials if prompted. Select the integration runtime you just created from the list provided. Click Finish to complete the configuration. Check the status of your integration runtime to ensure it shows as online. Now, return to the Azure portal to configure your data. Navigate back to your Data Factory and access the Author tab. Create a new pipeline as needed for your data movement tasks. Remember to link your dataset and configure the copy activity to use the new integration runtime. Finally, run the pipeline to verify that data movement is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.